Dear students, under the topic vector differentiation, in this video lecture we are going to learn how to find curl of a vector point function. Actually, the curl of a vector point function f vector is given by, we know that curl is given by the cross product. So first of all, this curl is nebula cross f vector, and the curl of this is found by taking cross product with nebula. So this is how we have to find. So curl of f vector is given by nebula cross f vector. So first of all, we shall find whatever is there inside the bracket, that is nebula cross f vector first we will find, and then we will take a cross product with nebula again. So first we will find nebula cross f vector. This is given by the determinant of I vector, j vector, k vector, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z. And we have to write the ith component of f vector over here. So the ith component is x square y, and then jth component of f vector, so y square z, and then kth component, which is z squared x. After this, we have to find the determinant of this matrix. So therefore, nebula cross f vector will be equal to, the determinant is given by I vector multiplied with, so blocking this column and blocking this row, we have dou by dou y of z square x minus this into this, which is dou by dou z of y square z, minus j vector multiplied with, so blocking this column and blocking this row, dou by dou x of z square x, so dou by dou x of z square x minus dou by dou z of x square y, and then plus k vector multiplied with, so blocking this column and blocking this row, we will be having dou by dou x of y square z minus dou by dou y of x square y, and that will be equal to I vector multiplied with, so what is the partial differentiation of this with respect to y? There is no y in this, so as a whole they will be treated as constant, and so it is 0, minus the partial differentiation of this with respect to z, so the differentiation of z is 1, so y square we will get, minus j vector multiplied with partial differentiation of this with respect to x. So for x it is 1, so z square will come as it is, minus partial differentiation of x square y with respect to z. It will turn out to be 0, plus k vector multiplied with partial differentiation of y square z with respect to x is 0, as there is no x term in this, minus partial differentiation of x square y with respect to y. Differentiation of y is 1, and we will be having x square. So therefore, it will be negative y square I vector, negative z square j vector, negative x square k vector. So therefore, we have obtained nebula cross f vector. It remains to find nebula cross f vector. So in order to find that, for this vector we have to take the cross product with nebula. So I have taken and I have written nebula cross of f vector over here, and we have to find nebula cross of f vector. So we know that the cross product is given by I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And here we have to write the ith component of nebula cross f vector, which is negative y square. Here jth component of nebula cross f vector, which is negative z square. And here kth component, so negative x square. As usual, you have to find the determinant value. I have already taught you, so I am not explaining that over here. So after differentiation and after differentiating, we obtain these terms, and on simplification we get the answer to be twice zi vector plus xj vector plus yk vector. So this is the answer. We will see one more problem. So here we have another problem where f vector is given to us, and we have to find the curl of f vector. So curl curl of f vector is equals nebula cross f vector. So first we shall find nebula cross f vector. So that is given by the determinant of the matrix I vector, j vector, k vector, and dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And here we will be having the ith component, which is x cube y, and here jth component, which is y cube z, and here kth component is z cube x. Now we shall find the determinant of this matrix, and so that's equals I vector multiplied with, so blocking this column and this row, dou by dou y of z cube x minus this dou by dou z of y cube z minus j vector multiplied with, blocking this column and this row, dou by dou x of this, that is z cube x minus dou by dou z of x cube y, and then plus k vector, blocking this column and blocking this row, dou by dou x of y cube z minus dou by dou y of, here we have x cube y. So now we shall simplify further. So that will be equal to, now I vector multiplied with, here partial differentiation of this with respect to y. As there is no y term, it will be 0, minus partial differentiation of this with respect to z. So y cube will be constant. Differentiation of z is 1, so it will be y cube. And then minus j vector multiplied with partial differentiation of this with respect to x. So x, for differentiation of x is 1, so you will be having z cube, minus, there is no z term over here, so it will be 0, plus k vector multiplied with partial differentiation of this with respect to x, but as there is no x term, it is 0, minus partial differentiation of this with respect to y, which is 1 into x cube, so it will be x cube. And so we will be having negative y cube I vector, and then negative z cube j vector, and then negative x cube k vector. So this is nebula cross f vector. Now with the help of this, we have to find nebula cross of f vector. So already we have found nebula cross f vector. For this we have to take cross product with nebula. So I have taken and I have written that vector over here. Now using this we have to find nebula cross of f vector, which is equal to the determinant of I vector, j vector, k vector, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And what should come here? Ith component, which is negative y cube, and here jth component of nebula cross f vector, which is negative z cube, and here kth component, which is negative x cube. Now as usual we have to find the determinant of this matrix, which will be equal to I vector multiplied with partial differentiation of this with respect to y. Directly I will do it. When we differentiate this partially with respect to y, as there is no y, it will be 0. Then partial differentiation of this with respect to z. We have only z over here and we have a negative sign, and it will be actually minus of minus, which will be plus 3z square, minus j vector multiplied with, so this and this is over. Now dou by dou x of this, so partial differentiation of this with respect to x, so minus 3x square, minus partial differentiation of this with respect to y, but already there is no z over here. Partial differentiation of this with respect to z, actually there is no z over here, so it will turn out to be 0. So minus into minus plus, so 0. Anyway 0 only. So plus k vector multiplied with, now here we have to block this column and this row. So it will be partial differentiation of this with respect to x. As there is no x, it will be 0. And then partial differentiation of this with respect to y. So it will be minus 3y square. But actually minus of minus will be plus 3y square. and so that will be equal to 3z square I vector, minus into minus is plus 3x square j vector plus 3y square k vector. We observe that we can take 3 in common, so that will be equal to 3 multiplied with z square I vector plus x square j vector plus y square k vector. So therefore we have obtained nebula cross f vector. So which is the curl of f vector. So hope you have understood these two problems. In our next video lectures, we will be seeing the theoretical portion of vector differentiation. So kindly follow the next upcoming video lectures. Thank you.